All right. What's up, everyone? What is going on? Another dump. Another dump. Every day the market's gapped down this week. At open. Yeah, right. Let's see. Monday. I guess Friday into Monday, gapped up. Gapped up, gapped down. Gapped down. Up. Down now. So, today, yeah, happy Friday, everyone. They're not done. They're probably done. They're probably done. It is what it is. Yeah, I was looking for this level to hold. But again, it's not, that's why swings are risky. Swings are definitely risky because obviously you can't control downside. SPY. Let's take a look. Again, really no setups that I'm looking at for today at open. You know, we could chart it like that. QQQ, right? Previous low, higher low, higher low. Was looking for another bounce here. Started to bounce end of day. But now we're getting that gap down. But down 0.35%. Let's take a look. AMD also, right? We tried to play that breakout multiple times yesterday. And, where did you get that breakout? Right, every single time it tried to push through, rejected. Oops. So, that's that. But look at it here. We kind of have this triple bottom. Right, so I was looking to trade that. Didn't really work. We'll see if that triple bottom can hold. That's really it. That's really no other pattern there. Besides that little triple bottom, which will probably break down like everything else this week. Everything just continues to break down. Apple, previous support. Acting as support again. And we're breaking down here. Pre-market, down 0.45%. Google, it was flagging here. We almost broke out. Rejected again, right? We had another double, triple top intraday the other day, yesterday. And we rejected again. All these pops have been getting rejected. Now we're pushing to the lows. And it looks like we want to take out this low here. 136.62 is the low of the flag. So if it starts to break down and push through, wouldn't be surprised if it continued to the downside. Microsoft yesterday, right? We have this previous resistance about this at this gap fill, little gap above, and it rejected. It rejected. Disney pushing lower again. So look at that. So that initial drop pushed down, ended up fully retesting that previous resistance or that previous support that was pretty big, right? Support. Pushed up, retested exactly to the dot, and ended up continuing to the downside. Let's take a look at everything else. Tesla, so, you know, Tesla's getting close to this previous support here. 212.36. Just super weak overall, though. Netflix, hovering. I don't really want to touch that. Let's see what else we got. Any good setups anywhere? The video looks like a good short, you said? Yeah, I mean, you could, there's no, the risk to reward isn't really worth it, right? There's no clear line to take a stop loss here. That's the thing. There's really no good setups. I mean, Square looks fine, right? Higher lows, lower highs. No good setups though today. Like, actually none. Besides QQQ, if it can reclaim. If not, then, you know, we can potentially take a short below yesterday's low. But that's about it. That is about it. Anyone have any questions about anything? I really have no setups to look at today. Besides that, unfortunately, no swings work this week. Meta put below 312. Let's take a look. Remove everything here. So you're looking at this previous low, pretty much, or like this previous resistance. Still nothing really too special though. Let's inverse the charts and go through it that way. See if we can get a different perspective here. Yeah, so right, we could take a short if this continues to bounce. Really no good setups though, anywhere. AMD, right? AMD, we had that multiple bounce, ended up breaking. Yeah, I mean, AMD looks fine to short. Below 101.66. That looks pretty good, actually. Now that we flipped the chart here. Alright, so AMD looks fine. Let's redo this Apple chart. Nothing really here on Apple. This resistance was super clean. All right, resistance, resistance, resistance. Well, the chart's inverted, by the way, so just make sure you're aware. But that was a super clean move. That's when we took those puts. Yeah, look at Google. All right, Google's flagging is pretty nice. Yeah, inverting is definitely great. It totally gives you a different perspective of everything. So you can go short through Tesla to 1236, right? This previous resistance. Go short. Look for a breakthrough. Let's see. So Amazon, right, has these higher lows. I guess we could chart like this, kind of. Getting close to touching that trend line. So we'll see how that develops. Shop. To redo that. All right, look at shop actually. Oops. So clean level here at 55.59, which is a level I actually mentioned all week, and then 50.59. That's funny. We can actually look at that to go short through it. We have a gap to fill to the downside. So this is why I like looking at the inverse charts. It's really nice, actually. Yeah. I mean, look at this nice consolidation. Down, up, down, up, down, up. It's ready to break through here, honestly. So we can take a look to go short through 50.59. Right, this is the actual chart. Looks pretty good. So I'll watch shop here at open. I'll watch shop and maybe AMD. Let's see what else we got. Coin is in this huge flag. That's really it. Alright, so now we got those few setups. Yeah, like these do not look good at all on the inverted either. So just AMD looks decent. And shot through that level. I'll set an alert here too. What was the AMD short? Just through this like triple bottom. This is what it actually looks like. Support, support, support. If this breaks, push to the downside. Small push. All right, look for a move back down to this double bottom here. Support, support, resistance. So this level also lines up here. Right, this previous resistance. We're sitting right below it. Price target for shop would be we could fill that gap. First would be this one. There's this little candle there around 48.8 would be the first price target. Yeah. Alright, so got two names to watch today. AMD and shop. Alright, so gonna go get ready for the Zoom. If anyone has any questions,